With that, then we'll go for the next question. Who would like to answer what are the differences between arrow functions and function expressions in JavaScript? Arrow functions and function expressions in JavaScript. Okay, we have Tilak. I would like to hear Tilak then.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The difference between arrow and function is the syntax, where the arrow function is like a shorthand method, like like the syntax, and function expression is an expression is given to a function. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the main difference between the arrow and function expression.
Yes. Okay, cool. So again, the best way just to answer the difference between arrow function and function expressions, they both are used for defining functions, but again they have different syntax and behaviors, guys, right? They have different syntax and behaviors, like how syntax is mentioned by your peer here. We have to take care of that as well, right? Like how Tilak mentioned that in case of syntax, arrow functions provides us a simple and a concise and a shorter syntax than your function expressions. How? Because arrow functions says there is no need to use keyword function, there is no need to provide a name, we just have to put an arrow in between parameters and the body. Also, in case of function expressions, we will have to provide the keyword function over there in order to make it as a function expression. Second, in case of arrow functions, we have the privilege of skipping the curly brackets to write the body of the function, which is not there in case of function expression. So if we are having a single line of code, arrow functions do provide us a chance to skip writing the curly brackets, which is not a part of your function expressions. Arrow functions also provides us a way to skip the round brackets around the parameters or to enclose the parameters in case of exact one parameter, which is again not a case for your function expressions. Then we talked about arrow functions, that if it's a single line of code and that to a return statement, we don't have to put the return keyword because they are implicit in case of arrow functions, which is not the case in function expressions. So these are the differences you people have to maintain, and I have not listed any new point here. This is something which we have already talked and learned about in the sessions itself. Does that make sense to everyone? Okay. Cool, then in that case, we will be moving to the next question.